our channel for Libra Aesthetics and Wellness. We're going to be talking about a very important nutrient today, which is zinc. Please, if you are interested, continue to watch. We need zinc to help with the immune system, the autoimmune system, and for wound healing. And it also has other functions as well. A lot of people are zinc deficient, and that puts them at risk for pneumonia and COVID-19. You can take zinc by mouth in a form of supplements. We would like to take over 75 micrograms of zinc daily, since we excrete it in our bodies every day. Or you can take it via IV, and it goes straight into your bloodstream.
Hello everyone. So as we said, today we'll be talking about zinc, which is a very important trace mineral. Zinc is important for the autoimmune system. First of all, there have been studies that have shown that patients deficient in zinc tend to have higher inflammatory markers. There's something in particular called IL-6, which is an interleukin which helps to modulate the immune response. When interleukin is high, people tend to go into things like cytokine storm, and I've seen that in patients that I treat for COVID pneumonia. Another thing that zinc modulates is the immune system, particularly the innate immune system. That's the cells that first go out to fight when they see a pathogen enter the body. This includes your neutrophils and your macrophages. So these cells are differentiated with the use of zinc, because we've mentioned that zinc is a part of over 300 cellular processes in the body. Now, with that being said, persons who are deficient in zinc, there have been studies that show that these patients are more susceptible for infections, particularly viral infections, because zinc itself can actually kill certain viruses, because they can inactivate certain enzymes in the viruses, such as proliferases, which are part of the viral arsenal. So zinc is extracellular, and to get it into the cell, we need things called ionophores. These make the zinc able to penetrate into the cell. These are things like quercetin that you may see us ask you to supplement with, because it helps zinc to be more active on an intracellular level. Zinc has been very beneficial in patients with viral infections, and studies have shown that it can decrease the length of time of a viral infection, particularly if you take it within the first 24 hours. Right now, there are over 24 studies that are underway regarding the pandemic we're in and zinc. Some of them have been shown benefit, and others are still in the process. So this will be an upcoming study that we will talk about. Another thing zinc has been well known to do is for wound healing, because zinc helps to proliferate collagen, and that is very beneficial for sealing and healing wounds. So in a nutshell, zinc is a very important trace mineral. We need it in our body. As we mentioned, at least 74 to 144 micrograms a day is recommended. Many people are deficient. It's something that you need to take on a daily basis. I will mention that people who are strictly plant-based may have a little issue with getting enough zinc in their diet, because phthalates tend to sort of trap zinc. So a good supplement is usually recommended for vegans. Another thing would be, what sort of supplement should you take? Zinc, as you know, comes in different forms, gluconate and phosphate and so on. But the important thing is knowing the elemental zinc. This is the thing that's the most active. And knowing that you need at least 74 micrograms, you need to, for example, if you take a 50 milligram of zinc gluconate, you'll absorb about 14%, maybe 11 milligrams of that will be absorbed in your system. Signs of zinc deficiency could include diarrhea, weight loss, rashes, alopecia or hair loss, of course, frequency of infections, a lot of inflammation, because zinc particularly helps to modulate oxidative stress on the cells. So it's a very good antioxidant. And zinc in high if you overdose on zinc like anything else, you could have an issue because it could affect your copper metabolism, and it could tend to cause anemia. So I'd like people to be aware of everything has a recommended range. Persons over the age of 65 have been particularly found to be zinc deficient, so it's something that we should be aware of. So here at Libra, we do a lot of nutrition. Zinc is in a lot of the cocktails that we give for immunity, so it's something that we do there. And of course, you can check your zinc level. It's a blood test that you can do with your physicians. So thanks for watching today. I hope it was informative. I'd like you to please let us know below what topics you'd like us to cover, because we want to be useful to you guys and to give you the knowledge that you need for your health. So thanks for joining us today. Look below in the description box for all our information, and you have a great week.